Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on your phone, Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. First, as I know to help, we start by completely turning off the phone. So we hold down the volume down and power buttons until the menu appears, and then we turn off the power. The phone must always be turned off when cleaning. It's very important so that nothing happens to the phone. So we always turn it off. Now we'll move it to the side, it'll be more convenient for us to work when the phone is sideways. For this we need a professional brush with stiff bristles about 2 centimeters long. The bristles are flexible enough that you can bend them, but they immediately return to their original position. In addition, we need isopropyl alcohol. It should be exactly 100% pure, so that after cleaning, it evaporates away entirely and quickly, and doesn't leave any unwanted residue behind. Getting your phone wet or causing some other additional problem is a risk, so we really need this solution if you don't happen to have a professional diffuser like mine. I have one, which you can buy as a set on Allegro or Amazon, with both the brush and the diffuser together. All you really need is just a small cup for water, a cup to hold the liquid. Then pour in a bit of alcohol and dip the brush in that alcohol, and that's what we'll use to clean. I have a diffuser, so I'll just spray the brush thoroughly. And now we can simply start cleaning the speaker. With one motion, always in the same direction, clean 5 or 6 times. The speaker is right here at the end, between the glass and the metal, the entire aluminum side. So here, we need to go over it 5 to 10 times in one direction, then 5 to 10 times in the other direction. To properly clean the speaker, all the dust will come out. Don't try to clean both sides at once, because then you'll just push the dust further into the hole. Since that's where the speaker is, don't remove the dust by going back and forth. Use a steady motion in one direction. About 10 times in one direction, then 10 times in the other, and we repeat this about 5 times. Of course, as I mentioned earlier, we do all this with the phone turned off. Now we do about 5 times in one direction and about 5 times in the other direction. After these repetitions, we can leave the phone as it is. We leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the alcohol can completely evaporate and there will be no trace of it left. Then we can turn the phone on as usual and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, a like, and a subscription, and see you in the next video.